Gonna be testing these Maybesta microphones out. Made a YouTube video about these solar panels, but the audio was kind of terrible. And then my neighbor's dog was barking in the background, and everything I read is just the microphone. So if you get a good microphone, it should help out with all the background noise and make your audio clear. We'll give these a shot. They were like $9 on Amazon. Had a bunch of good reviews, so see how it goes. Quick video on making a raised flower bed. Should be pretty easy. Basic hand tools. These come from Lowe's. They're pre-casted already. You just slide a 2x6 in there, stack them up, make them into the shape you want, and that should be it. The Maybesta microphones. They work pretty well for $9. As we were making this raised garden bed, there's a pool behind there, and it's always running during the day, and you can always hear the pool pump anytime I'm outside making videos. And my neighbor's dog is outside, currently barking, but when I'm outside and making videos, he's always also barking too. And I went back and listened to the recordings, and you can't hear the pool pump, you can't really hear my neighbor's dog barking, so they work pretty well at canceling out the background noise. Super simple to use. You plug in the USB portion to your phone, click the power button on the microphone, and just start talking. So for $9, it's hard to beat. And if you're thinking about making videos, it's not a bad investment. This is the end product here. Ended up being a little bigger than I thought. Looks like it was almost 18 feet long. 18 feet long by about 3 feet wide. And then from here to the top, it's about a foot. This bottom board is a 2x6, and the top one is a 2x8. That's all this really was. 2x6s, 2x8s, by 8 feet long. The only cuts I made were the middle pieces. No screws, no nails. These cast cinder blocks kind of make it super simple. But this is kind of everything all done.
Yeah, there's California, New Mexico, freaking Pennsylvania. Like, yeah, because my dad's